social cognitive theory, that we are going to talk about here in RCJ4TV. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so I can always notify you every time I have new upload. Thank you.
Okay, let's start!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss something about social cognitive theory by Albert Bandura. Okay, let's first define the social cognitive theory. Social cognitive theory is an interpersonal level theory developed by Albert Bandura that emphasizes the dynamic interaction between people, personal factors, their behavior, and their environments. The social cognitive theory is a theoretical perspective in which learning by observing others. This theory is grounded by basic assumptions. Example, the one that we said, people can learn things by means of observing others, and that has happened when the learner is simply observing the source of knowledge, or in short, the model. Okay, let's make a basic example. A child learning to wash their hands before they eat. The child watches the adult carefully, paying attention to how to wash their hands. In this example, the learner or the observer is a child, and the model or the source of learning is the adult. Now, let's talk about the assumptions. Learning happens inside us and doesn't always result in a change in behavior. It doesn't have to happen right away either. Someone might see a new behavior and think about it, but that doesn't mean they'll actually learn from it right then or even at all later on. Example, you're the music learners and you are watching a group of students playing music on the room. You may observe for long to watch the models, which is the students playing music, until you decided to join in or not to join. So what does it mean? There's also an assumption of goal-directed behavior. Social cognitive theorists propose that people set goals for themselves and direct their behavior accordingly. They are motivated to accomplish those goals. In our example, the observer is motivated to learn the music, or else he does not observe it repeatedly. Regarding to our example, in the classroom, students are motivated by goals, such as being popular with classmates, being the class leader, or else being a class clown. These goals are examples of directed behavior or behavior that is oriented toward attaining a particular goal. Anyways, every people has different types of behavior based on their personality, perspective, talent, and capability that has a possibility to attract others. Another assumption of this theory is the fact that those behavior become a self-regulated according social cognitivists, while in-behaviorists believe that people eventually begin to regulate their own learning and behavior. Now, what we are trying to explain between social cognitivists and behaviorists. In social cognitive, theorists would argue that he ought to observe the models, refine his own techniques, and evaluate them against the model's performances. Subsequently, he should acknowledge his achievements with self-affirmation once he has mastered the entire piece of music. However, the behaviorist's perspective would argue that the most effective method for him to learn music is through consistent reinforcement from others, who would motivate him to persist in his improvement. And last but not the least, is the assumptions deals in with reinforcement and punishments. In this theory, classify the effect of reinforcement and punishment. To observer or the learner in phase, the result may depend indirect rather than direct on learning and behavior. It seems like expectations versus responses. People expectations is also based on the observations of the consequences that follow other people's behavior. It delivers a feeling or experience from someone else. Anyways, the non-occurrence of an expected consequence may also have a reinforcing or a punishing effect. Example, the student may think that if he learns the music, the other students in class will clap for him because he has observed this reinforcement while watching the others playing music in classroom. However, if he does not see clapping, or perhaps he sees everyone laughing at the other students who play music, he may choose to not participate in the music jamming session at all. In general view, the social cognitive theory is a learning theory that emphasizes the role of observational learning, cognitive processes, and social experiences in determining behavior. The central to this theory is the concept of reciprocal determinism. the mutual interaction between an individual's behaviors, personal factors, and environmental influences. Now, what is the relation of this theory in the causes of crime? The possible answer is about delinquency and family nurture related, because this theory is about learning, observation, and modeling actions and behavior. Okay, the theory when related to crime and delinquency suggests that social behavior is acquired through observation and experience. For instance, when children observe their parents employing aggression as a disciplinary method, they start to perceive aggression as an acceptable means of resolving conflicts. Anyways, there are many studies and theories that proved that criminal behavior is learned through others by means of observation, imitation, interaction, and other things related to cognitive learning phases. And for your convenience, I had made a separated video about theories of observational learning, interaction, and other instances in relation to how criminal behavior is acquired or learned. I will put the link on the description box and at the end of this video so you can watch it if you are interested. Thank you. And maybe we will end this video right here, and I wish you learned something about for what we discussed. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next episode. Goodbye. Hello, my friend. Did you like this episode? If yes, I say thank you so much for you, and if you want more videos like this, just subscribe, follow, like and share my YouTube channel and page so I can always notify you whenever I have new uploads. And yes, the time is over, let we end this video here. So, once again, thank you so much, and God bless you all. RCJ4, peace out.